Hello, this is Lance Cleveland with Store Locator Plus. Today we're releasing Store Locator Plus 4.5.08 into production. It has a few updates, some of which, as usual, are things you will not see on the interface, including some notable performance improvements on the database engine, where it's doing a few less data queries every time your pages load, including admin pages and front-end pages. There's also some other changes that make it incompatible with Experience version 4.5.07 or earlier. So Experience version 4.5.08 is in testing and will be out a little bit later today. And that is going to need to be updated to be compatible with Store Locator Plus. One of the things you'll notice when you update is that every once in a while you'll get something like this saying Experience version 4.4.10 is disabled, it's not compatible with version 4.5.08. That will happen more and more often as we streamline Store Locator Plus in these releases. So if there's a feature that doesn't work in an older version of a plugin, it will disable it. In almost every case, you will find a newer version of the plugin available at the Store Locator Plus website. If you just go into storelocatorplus.com and you go to the bottom of the page, you'll see a versions link on the bottom of the page that will show you all the current active versions. So in most cases, if we're disabling something on an add-on, there's going to be a newer version that is available, and this page will show you what the latest production releases are. So another update that's in here are some updates to deal with symlinks with this version, as well as some updates that allow us to do advanced data queries. So we can do some really interesting queries. It's being used with the territories add-on with the Premier plugin in version 4.5.08 of that, which allows us to do things like show all locations that are in the radius that the user selected that have no territory set, and also show every location in the database that does have a territory that covers the user address. So we can get some really distinct queries out of the system. That was a major update to the database engine in Store Locator Plus 4.5.08 that allows us to do some cool things with add-on packs. It also allows us to do some cool things with the new service we're launching the end of this year, My Store Locator Plus. We're going to be putting out private invites for people to help us beta test My Store Locator Plus. This will be a new service separate from Store Locator Plus for people that want us to manage all of their locator software, all the updates, compatibility, feature sets, and so on. It will be a monthly fee for different levels of users. So My Store Locator Plus will be coming online the end of this year, and we're going to start sending out invites for private betas for the MVP, Minimum Viable Product. That's going to be an alpha release of the service, not for use on production systems, but for people that want us to back up their locator data, keep everything updated, keep it secure, and also the code snippet you will get will work on every site, not just WordPress sites. So My Store Locator Plus can work on your Python installs, it will work on .NET and those sort of things with all the features that are in Store Locator Plus. So if you're interested in that, shoot us a private email to support@storelocatorplus.com and we'll get you listed for the mystorelocatorplus.com private beta. So that's it. 4.5.08 is out. You may need to upgrade some of your add-on packs. In almost all cases, there is a new version of an add-on pack that is 4.5.08 compatible. As always, thank you for supporting Store Locator Plus.